Hippity happity Monday evening / Tuesday morning, everybody. You know what day it is. It's Mega Monday. We're gonna rip a little Mega Evolution with the doggy luck, with the tummy luck. Let's have a good time. Come on now. I went to Fred Meyer on my lunch break, and they had 2 sleeved packs of Mega left, which is the first time I have seen any Mega at retail since release day. So that was cool. Let's see if we get some heat. Hope you guys are sleeping soundly or ripping hecka packs. We got Basic Energy, Young Goose, Rare Candy, Ice Cube, Bayleaf, Garganical, Mega Signal, Shedinja, Ninetales Reverse, Tangela Reverse, Dialga Hollow. Now! I love you all so very much. Peace.